All right, that was rare yesterday. Rare Goofy. Which means today I'm going to pick... Number 4. Who do you think's in this one? Do you have any theories? Any suspicions? Grail? Ooh. Look at that. He's calling his shots. Here we go. Is Nikki right? Is it going to be a Grail? Here we... Uh-oh. Oh! Well, it didn't unbox. That was weird. But it had a legendary in it.
Let's open it now.
No, we're not opening it now. It's our only legendary. That was really strange. Okay. Well, guys, we have a legendary Goofy to add to the collection. I don't know why that unboxing did what it did like that, but here we are with our legendary. So, okay. I guess we'll see you tomorrow. That was strange.